We remember at the round table. The circle is activated, and consciousness takes shared form. 12 positions surround the center, sustaining a living geometry. Here, a natural order is established, an alliance of perception that opens a new state of consciousness. The archetypes of being arrange themselves to recalibrate the origin of the Philosopher's Stone, the one that aligns mind, heart, and action to manifest heaven on earth. At the center of the circle, Excalibur defines the axis and marks the north. Throughout this cycle, its form is expressed as sulfur. This is the substance we bring into order. The 16th particle of the stone appears as the burning stone, ready to be observed and refined through the different perspectives offered by the Wheel of the 12. Today we share the perspective of order. The Throne of Virgo opens the 6th position and directs our attention to sulfonamides, the first precision antibacterial agents. From this seat, sulfur reveals itself as the structural core of the first systemic antimicrobial drugs in history, as the element whose sulfonamide group, NH2, SO2, enabled Gerhard Domach, in 1932, to demonstrate in mice that the red dye prontosil could cure streptococcal infections. What ignited became mineralized, transmitted biogeochemical information, protected protein architecture, and shown in yellow now finds technical refinement through precise medicinal chemistry. Sulfonamides mimic para-aminobenzoic acid, PABA, and inhibit folic acid synthesis in bacteria. Every sulfonamide developed refines its specificity against different microorganisms. Each generation of this family served as a tool of therapeutic precision until the advent of antibiotics. Sulfur inhabits the laboratories where thousands of sulfonamide derivatives were synthesized, the pharmacopoeias where sulfadiazine, sulfamethoxazole, and trimethoprim saved millions of lives, and the biochemistry textbooks that describe the antifolate mechanism as a classic example of metabolic antagonism. Seen from the Throne of Virgo, the burning stone discovers pharmaceutical precision, therapeutic functional purity, and the capacity to serve through exact medicinal chemistry. Autoignition becomes an instrument of clinical precision. Its own fire organizes itself as functional medical order. Excalibur calibrates the particle when mind, emotion, and body align along the same axis of therapeutic precision. A candle is lit before you as a reflection of the center. Its flame reveals the state of the inner burning stone and accompanies the fine calibration of the particle. As you hold your gaze upon it, order is established, and the 6th face of the Philosopher's Stone is polished. Sulfur is refined. The will continues its conscious rotation. Thus, today we perform this task. Mind focus. Hold one affirmation inwardly throughout the entire practice. I am refining sulfur with therapeutic precision. Allow your mind to remain precise and functional at this point. Emotion, cleansing with the candle. Place a lit candle in front of you. Observe it silently for at least 3 complete breaths. Allow the flame to dissolve emotions associated with a lack of precision, impure formulations, lack of specificity, and resistance to acting with precision. Emotion is brought into order through precision. Action, integration into the body. Pour yourself a glass of water. Hold the glass between your hands and say, I am sulfur acting with precision. Repeat it 3 times with full awareness. Drink the water slowly, integrating therapeutic precision into your body. Alchemical seal. I am the new state of consciousness. Avra Kehdabra, I create as I speak.